Join me as I challenge myself to say entrepreneur perfectly in every context, no matter how tricky it gets. When you introduce yourself as an entrepreneur, you want to exude confidence and professionalism. But what if you're not sure how to pronounce the word correctly? It can be a major confidence killer and even affects how others perceive you in the business world. I've heard people pronounce entrepreneur in many different ways. Entrepreneur, entrepreneur, entrepreneur. The list goes on and on. And let's be real, when you're in a business meeting or networking event, you don't want to be that person who mispronounces the word, because it can be embarrassing and even make others question your expertise and credibility. Mispronunciation can also affect how others perceive your brand or business. If you're not taking the time to get the basics right, why should others trust you with their time and money? It's a small but important detail that makes a huge difference in how others perceive you. But it's not just about others. When you say entrepreneur incorrectly, it can affect your own confidence and self-perception. Think about it. When you're introducing yourself, you want to feel proud and confident in your identity as a business owner. But if you're stumbling over the word, it can be hard to shake off the feeling that you're not good enough. The word entrepreneur has French origins, and it's actually a combination of two words, entre, meaning between, and prendre, meaning to take. So an entrepreneur is literally someone who takes risks and operates between different spheres, like business and innovation. The correct pronunciation is entrepreneur, 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 entrepreneur. To remember the pronunciation is to break it down into smaller parts or chunks. Try saying entre like you're ordering a fancy coffee, and then add the preneur part at the end. It sounds silly, but it really works. You can also practice saying it slowly in front of a mirror so you can get a feel of how the word sounds when you say it correctly. Here is a helpful trick to remember the correct pronunciation. Just think about this phrase: on 3, prep to launch. On 3, prep to launch. It's a fun and catchy way to recall the correct sounds and rhythm. And trust me, it's worth the practice. When you can confidently say, I'm an entrepreneur, it's a game changer for your business and self-confidence. So let's recap the key points about saying entrepreneur like a pro. First, remember, the proper pronunciation is important for confidence and professionalism. Second, break it down into smaller parts or chunks and practice saying it slowly and correctly. And finally, use helpful trick like on 3, prep to launch to remember the correct sounds and rhythm. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever struggled with mispronouncing entrepreneur, or do you have any other business terms you'd like to see covered in a future video? Be sure to check out my other videos on pronunciation tips, and I'll see you in the next one.